Hey there, John from Discount Saw Pool here. Today we're tackling a common question. Should you get a generic or an OEM replacement cell? All right, let's take a dip and find out. Replacement cells are do-it-yourself friendly. Many companies offer generic cells. These are designed to work seamlessly with your current setup and can be easily integrated into your existing plumbing. Whether you're using an OEM or generic cell, replacement is typically a straightforward do-it-yourself task, eliminating the need for professional assistance. Pay attention to specs. Ensure the chlorine output matches or surpasses the original. Even more important, longevity matters too, so pick a cell built to last. Make sure the cell is rated for a long lifespan. Some generics aren't up to snuff, so choose wisely. Warranty and support. This aspect is crucial. A cheap generic cell might not have US-based support. Make sure the brand stands behind their product. Check the BBB and reviews for support. Remember, a warranty without a company that answers the phone isn't worth much. Here at Discount Saw Pool, we have extensive experience with both OEM and generic cells. Okay, quality parts and solid customer service are our focus. So if you have any questions, give us a call. I'm John with Discount Saw Pool, and thanks for watching.